Hello everyone. Uh, I'm happy to see you again in our new lesson. How are you doing, guys? I'm glad that you are all doing good. Uh, we are going to start a new lesson, which is related to the previous class, to the previous lesson, and I want someone or two or one who can remind us of the previous lesson. Yes, I want him or her to tell me about the title of the lesson and some main ideas of that lesson. Okay, Sufyan, you can start. Yes. Yes, it is correct. It was about the present simple tense. Yes. Can you go ahead and tell us about when do we use this tense? Excellent job. Yes, we use it to talk about habits and things that happen like every time, every day. Yes, and also to talk about general truths or things that are always true or will be always true. Excellent job. I wanted to tell us now about the form. Okay, good. Yes, we use the subject and the base form of the verb. Yes, excellent point, Sarah. Yes, except when with the third person pronouns, we use the verb and we might uh, we should add s. Yes, good job. And we might change like the spelling of the verb at the end. We might add or we might double a letter or we might omit. Yes, good. So now I want you to tell me about two example sentences about distance. Yes, Khaled, you can go ahead. Okay, good. I always play football at the weekend. Yes, so as you see, the keyword is at the weekend and I play. Okay, another example. Yes, Amira, uh, that's an excellent example. Yes, it is about scientific truths, which is the sun always rises from the east. Excellent job. So now, guys, we are going to start a new lesson, which is related to the previous one. And I want you to look at these two sentences and think about them. Like, I want you to read them and take your time and see what's different, what's similar, okay? So the sentences are written here, okay? The first one, it goes as I talk with my sister every day, and the second one is yesterday I talked to my best friend. Yes. Okay. So take your time and think about it. Okay. The first one, I talk with my sister every day. This one is in what tense? Uh, okay, Ahmed, can you? Excellent job. It is in the present tense, and it speaks about something that happens every day. Okay, it is about a habit or a regular thing. And the second one, yesterday, I talked to my best friend. So it doesn't speak about something that happens regularly. And the tense is going to be the new lesson of today. Can someone think or guess what might be the tense of this one? Yesterday, something happened in yesterday. It is not now. Okay, so it is in the past. Yes, good. So this tense is the simple past. Okay, so can you look again at the examples and tell me what's different in the form, like between the first sentence and the second sentence? Okay, okay, Ahmed, yes, you can go. Excellent job, yes. So as you see in the examples, talk and talked, we have two verbs, and the first one doesn't have anything after the verb. Like we just use the base form and the second one is plus ed. Good job. So from that, I need someone to form a rule of the past form of regular verbs. Yes. So because in this lesson we are going to focus on the regular verbs of the past form. We have also irregular verbs. It is going to be in the next classes. Okay. Okay, good. So we use subject, verb plus ed, and then that's the simple past form of the verb, of the regular verbs. Okay, good. And guys, now I want you to focus on these examples again. It is just only a words. I will give you some words. So the first one is cook. Okay, cook. And we have also love and cry. Okay, so if we want to form the past forms of these verbs, how are we going to do it? Excellent job. We are going to add ed. Excellent job, Sarah. So can you go for this? Can you form these? Can you change the form of these verbs into the simple past? Okay, good. So cook will be cooked, and love will be loved, and cry would be cried. Okay, so that's correct. But guys, I want you to focus on the spelling. So in the spelling, as you might see here, the three verbs I gave you, they have different forms. Like in the spelling, we need to change something before the ed, and sometimes we will not add ed. We will only add d, as in the example of love. We only added d. In the second example of cook, we added cooked. We added ed, and in the last examples, we deleted the y and added I and plus ed. Okay, so can you like guess from these words why we have different spellings of the same verb in the past? I'm going to give you another examples too, like, play, and try. Okay, so for like, it is going to be the same as loved, only d, and for play, it is going to be played, the same as cooked, and the last one is try, is going to be tried. Okay, so this is going to be your homework for the next class, and then we are going to continue with this lesson. Okay, thank you.